Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the summer edition mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I know this is a highly anticipated video. I'm so excited to open the box. I did get the deluxe box, so this is the biggest one that he offered. This box was $70 plus the $9 shipping. I was really shocked to receive this today because it is Monday, the Monday right after the launch, so literally it came one business day and I paid the regular $9 shipping. And just in case you're wondering, I am wearing the Jawbreaker palette on my eyes today. If you want to know more about my look today, go ahead and head to my Instagram. I'll leave it here down below. But I know you guys are excited to see what's in the box, and so am I, so let's get started. I am very nervous to see what is in the box because the summer collection just launched and it was a lot of bright and neon like lips and stuff like that, so I wonder if that summer collection is in the box. Are you guys ready? Ooh. This is what it looks like when you first open it. There are supposed to be 10 items in here. I'm not sure if the pop socket is going to count as one. Removing these things, I can already see a pop socket. The first thing I'm pulling out is this orange pop socket. It is perfect for the summer. I personally do not use pop sockets because the cases I use aren't really supportive for pop sockets. The next item in here is a straw, and I got the pink one with the silver logo. I'm so glad he included a straw in here because I've been wanting to buy the straws. I just haven't justified the purchase, and so now I don't have to buy the whole pack. I got this one. So the next item is a Velour Liquid Lip, and I got the shade Celebrity Skin. I'm so happy for this because I've been wanting to try it. You know, they say it's the perfect nude. I don't know how it's gonna look on me, that's why I haven't bought it yet, but I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hand. This is what it looks like. It has that licorice smell. Okay, it's like a pinky brown nude. At the end of the video, I'm gonna put on all these lips, so do not worry, stay tuned for that. The next item in here is another Velour Liquid Lip. This one is in the shade Poinsettia. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. It is a red. You can't really see it on camera, but it's like it has a shine in there. I'm gonna swatch it next to Celebrity Skin. As you can see, it has some glitter in there. The next item I pulled out is another Velour Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Diva. Ooh, this one's nice. I'm gonna swatch it next to Poinsettia. So this is what it looks like, swatched next to the other two. The next thing I pulled out is a lip liner, and this is in the shade Leo. I actually have Leo already, so I'm really happy. This is what the lip liner looks like. Next up, we have a Supreme Frost. This is in the shade Money Honey. I don't own any Supreme Frost. I know they're more glittery, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm just kind of scared because I do have textured skin. If it's really glittery and brings out the texture, it's not gonna look that great on me. This is what it looks like up close. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, I mean, it feels nice. It's really reflective, as you can see. I actually can't wait to put this on, so I'm gonna grab the JS4 and I'm gonna swirl in here. Whoa, do you guys see that? Whoa, now it looks green. What the hell is this? I mean, I really like it. I'm just really tripping out because over here it reflects pink, and I'm looking at another mirror that's below where I'm filming and it's reflecting green, so I don't know, but girl, it's hella good. Let me see. It doesn't emphasize my pores that much. It doesn't look like I have volcanoes on my cheek, so that's a good thing. To keep going, now this is a lip scrub, and this is in the flavor Rainbow Sherbet. It has like a rose gold top. I'm gonna be applying all the lipsticks on today, so I'm really glad that he included this. Next up, we have a t-shirt. You scared me, sorry. And I did order the box in a medium just because I'm not sure. I'm usually like a small or a medium. Just went ahead and got a medium, so hopefully it doesn't fit too big, but I'm gonna open it up so I can show you guys. It has a neon green logo, and obviously it's a black t-shirt. Oh, okay. So it says, "Hi, how are ya?" You know, he's like, "Hi, how are you?" You know, type thing. So I'm sorry, that was really cringy, Jeffree. Don't come for me, please. So I'm like trying it on, and it's really long. I should have gone with the small, but it's all good. Well, I don't know about you guys, but so far I'm pleasantly surprised. I haven't got any weird colors or anything. Now the last thing in here is what you guys are waiting to see, and this is the mystery liquid lipstick, and it comes in this neon green packaging. This is what it looks like. It's like a nice pink, you know, it's not super bright. I don't wear pinks because I feel like it makes me look weird. I'm gonna swatch it right here so you guys can see how it looks like compared to Diva and Poinsettia. And this is her. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks really oily up here. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, but yeah, it looks kind of oily. Now it's time for the little try on segment of this video. I just realized that my mic was showing the whole time. It was not something coming out my chest. It was my mic. So I just want to apologize. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna start off with the Velour Lip Scrub. And if you didn't already know, these are edible. I feel like I look like that one monster from Monsters Inc. You know when he sucks like his lips out? That's how I feel. And also, right off the bat, I'm not sure if maybe I have to shake it or whatever, but I've never had a problem. This lipstick is streaky. Whew, my lips are going through it right now. You guys can go to his website and do the math yourselves, but obviously it's worth it, and I think I got a really good box. I wish all of you luck on your mystery box. I'll be looking forward to seeing all of you guys' videos. If you haven't received yours yet, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you guys for all the support. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. I'll leave it here down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!